equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also want a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV17 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. This may require a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean environment will help ensure the new motor operates efficiently. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, locate the screws securing the motor in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be careful with the wiring connected to the motor. You don't want to damage it. Next, disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Once disconnected, set the old motor aside. Take your new motor and connect the wiring harness to it, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Now, place the new motor into the housing. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it is firmly in place to avoid any issues later on. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place, ensuring all clips are engaged. Replace the screws on the back cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is secured, give the vacuum a quick wipe down with your soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust. Before testing your vacuum, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about your repair, it's always a good idea to consult with an expert. Now, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. With your new motor installed, your Dyson SV17 should be back to its optimal performance, ready to tackle any cleaning task. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.